You got your pizza.
Oh, it is about time. I'm about to disappear up in here. I'm so hungry. Norbit out draining the swamp or something.
Yeah, he's definitely draining the swamp. He's draining the swamp like he would be. Well, why are you looking at me like that?
Where's Norbit?
Draining the swamp. And why are you looking at me like that? He's out there in the woods draining the swamp. I told you before. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing, okay? He's on the day with that fine skinny girl.
No, and on top of that, he done messed with my seat again. Damn it, Norbit. Got me destroying my shit.
This is it.
It's always so beautiful in here.
Peaceful.
Oh, hello, Kate. Norbit.
Hey.
Didn't know anybody was here. It's getting ready to close up shop. You know, Kate, this all happened so fast. I realized we never had a chance to rehearse.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So come on up here and let me at least show you where you're going to stand.
Oh, all right.
Rasputin, you know loud in here.
What the hell with that? Where's Norbit?
I don't see Norbit. Anybody here to see Norbit?
He hasn't been here. And who was eating the turkey ass? Run! Run!
At which point you'll give your vows to Dion. You want to practice those?
Well, I haven't actually gotten to that quite yet.
You don't even know what you're gonna say yet?
Oh, well, what would you say, Norbit? I don't know.
What I say?
You got
What would I say if I was saying vows? I guess, Kate, I think about you all day long. And when I'm not near you, all I think about is being near you. And when you are near me, I feel like I'm at peace with the whole world. I know that I'll never have to ask God for anything, because as long as I have you in my life, I'm got everything I ever wanted. The only thing I really want to do is just spend the rest of my life making you as happy as you've made me. Because I love you, Kate. I love you. Something like that.
And after the vows, you would